So this is our Christmas tree from last year. I got this from Walmart. I can't remember the price anymore. I just had to fix that portion over there. And then these ornaments, as you can see, I haven't started decorating yet. If you're wondering why these are in here, it was our decoration last year. We never took it out. I will put a picture of how our tree looked like last year. My motif for last year was gold and pink. This year, I decided to just make it fun, traditional, modern. So I went with red and white. These are all the decorations I got. Some of them are from Michael's, some of them are from Amazon, Walmart. What else? I forgot, but I went to a lot of stores hunting red balls or the white ones. It's so hard to find, and I tried ordering it online. Some of them are out of stock. Some of them, I don't know, I just don't want to risk ordering it and then it will arrive too late. So I'm just gonna go with what I have at the moment and start decorating my tree.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
done, and of course, I saved the best for last. Yes, I have already placed the topper of my Christmas tree since my baby's too young to do it. I'm pretty sure in the future we will have the role of putting the topper on top and completing our tree. I am so happy with the way our Christmas tree looks like. It's by far the best and most beautiful tree I've ever decorated. But to make it even more special, I have reserved ornaments for my son and husband. They can place it anywhere, or my toddler can even play with it. It's all up to him. It's not about their decorations or what's under our Christmas tree. It's who's around it. My family is so important to me, and they absolutely have to be a part of this. Also, during this time, it is important to remember the real reason for the season. I want my son to know it's not about Christmas tree, beautiful lights, Santa Claus, material gifts, but what we're celebrating is the life of Christ. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Advance happy holidays. May we be light to others. That's the best gift we can ever give to the people around us, especially during this challenging time. It's been a rough year. I pray that we still find in our hearts to be grateful and hopeful. Let's all get together and look forward to better days ahead. Be safe, everyone. I'll see you on my next video.